The General Electric engine is phenomenal. The big body General Electric engine is phenomenal. So it's great to see. Thank you. So you focus on Boeing then?
Yes, sir. And probably
and the GE engine, they burn 20% less fuel, which is really, really important in terms of efficiency and emissions.
It's a hot engine.
So it's a very hot engine.
That's the hottest engine. That's great. 20% less fuel. That sounds good.
Mr. President,
how many engines will they be buying then ultimately?
About 100. Altogether, about 100.
The big ones.
Yeah, the big
and
ones.
are they the biggest engines at this point?
The 777X, yes.
That's the biggest one. That's the one we're hearing about.
Yes. And it's an amazing plane. We're really excited to announce.
They had a breakthrough GE on engines, and their big engine is the hottest engine there is. It's through the roof. And General Electric, you talk about a comeback. General Electric has made one of the great comebacks, and it's both in healthcare and other things, but on your engine, I think that's really maybe the greatest story of them all. They came out with a way to make a better engine with 20% less fuel, and that's a tough combination. So congratulations. I was with Larry yesterday, and he's done a fantastic job.
And great customer service,
yeah,
which is very important for engines.
That's
so
true.
It's not only selling the engine, but keeping the engines running. So extremely important.
Yeah, well, you can be proud of yourselves. So a tremendous investment being made in the United States by this group and this airline, and they don't need financing. That's a nice part. A lot of them say subject to financing. They don't say subject to financing. They have no problem. So thank you very much. What a great honor.
We're also announcing today our first flight to Charlotte.
Oh, good.
North Carolina.
Today, North Carolina.
That's a good place.
Yes.
It's the first airline in the Middle East to fly to Charlotte, North Carolina. So
Well, they have the
today,
PGA Championship going on there right now.
So today
you
we
can
open
hurry
for
up
sale.
and you get some.